Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make, or it's gonna be a cooking with Fettie episode. I'm talking like this is my podcast. Okay, let's restart this. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing another cooking with Fettie episode. I haven't done this in... Today we're gonna be doing a cooking with Fettie video. And we're gonna be doing Japanese recipes, so I'm gonna do our lunch and our dinner. But we're gonna start off with okonomiyaki, which is a Japanese pancake made out of cabbage. I'm actually gonna have my mom help me with this, but she's outside because I got too embarrassed. But the ingredients that we're gonna need is cabbage, green onion, eggs, flour, squid, and pork. But you can honestly use any meat, but I think that these two are the best to use.
だしとか入れたら
Say it.
もう一回絶対しないとってや
ここした
ちょっと待ってお腹へこますからはい
Here's my assistant. Okay, we're gonna start off with the batter. Ask my mom how to make this. Mom, how do you start the batter?
目分量でいいけれどもフラワーとお水入れて卵2つ入れてあっちゃんとママと2人分やから
Okay, so basically the batter is gonna be like pancake mix. So you do flour, water, 2 eggs, hunde, sorodake, and then you just mix it. So I'm just gonna speed through that and show you. Okay, so once it's this consistency, that's good. And then we're gonna start putting in the cabbage and meat. Okay, after you get your batter ready, you're gonna take your cabbage and then just slice it into thin slices. Right, Cole?
違う
Cole?
あんまりいらん、それぐらいから始めてはい
Okay, so we just need like this much probably.
お母さんよく入りしていい、でこれはもうちょっとちっちゃくこういう風に切った方がいいと思うけどにちょっと入れて多分キャベツがもうちょっと足りないからもうちょっとキャベツキャベツ切って入れたらあっちゃんここ一回混ぜてみて、まだまだこれもうちょっとキャベツ入れなあかんわ
Okay, so when there's too much, like when it's too liquidy, you just have to add some more cabbage so that it thickens up, because you don't want the cake to be too loose.
これぐらいでちょうどいいと思う
So this is like the perfect consistency. It's not too thick, but you know, it's not like watered down. So this is what you want to see. Okay, now this next part is totally up to you. Let me back this up a little bit. But we love green onions, so we're gonna add this. But if you don't like the taste, then you can just kind of skip over this part. But I do think it adds a lot of good flavor, and definitely, I don't think you should go without it.
ちっちゃく切っても大きく切っても3分の1ぐらいに分けてを洗ってで次切るけれどもこれ1 1つは大きいので小さく切ります。でも普通ポークを使うときはちょっと脂の乗ったポークベリーで使うけども、お店に売ってなかったから普通のポーク、これを薄く切れると薄く切ると美味しい。
So you want to make this really thin. It tastes a lot better, easier to chew. Usually, like we said, pork belly is really good. Like the more fatty, it gets soft and really yummy. But since they didn't have it at the store, we're just using regular pork, which is also really good.
でも薄く切れれば薄く切るほど美味しい。
But yeah, you want to try to cut it as thin as possible. So all of this should be good for the two of us. We'll probably have some extras, but that is fine. Yeah, and then we'll get started cooking. We're gonna cook it on the home plate, which is, you know, what we use in Japan, but they do have this at Target. And then you want to make sure that you grease the pan, but sesame oil is the best, so like don't use olive oil or canola oil, vegetable oil. Have to use sesame oil.
でもセサミストリート、ごめん違う、セサミオイルごめん間違えた。セサミオイルが嫌な人はいい、
それで
何のオイルでもいい。
Okay, so just grease the pan.
もういいもういい。
Oh, okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna use one side of the pan, and then Mom is gonna use one side of the pan for hers.
2つやから丸くせんと、細長くでいいん違う？
So usually this would be in a circle, but since we're just gonna put two of ours on here, we're just gonna change the shape.
で、ポークとイカ、自分の好きなだけ。
So then you'll put whatever one you like. You can do squid or pork. Pork お願いします。
はい。
So I'm gonna do pork on mine.
でもイカはちょっと自分の好みでそして、
あ、じゃあもうちょっとだけイカ欲しい。ちょっとだけ。I'm just gonna do a little bit of squid. I just can't remember if I like it or not, but
でもカラマリ好きな人は絶対にイカが好きと思う。
If you like calamari, you'll probably like using the squid.
好みでこの上に花かつおをのせてもいいし、焼き終わった後にのせてもそれはお好みで、別にのせなくってもいいけど多分のした方が美味しいと思います。
Hanaboshiki? What is it called?
花かつお。
Hanakatsuo, which is what, a dried fish?
Yeah.
It's like dried fish. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's just, I don't know, it just adds extra flavor. It's kind of
Bonita is.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it. It's really good. I like mine on top, not cooked in, so I'm gonna put mine on there later. But it's kind of, I'm trying to think of a flavor. It's not really, like, it doesn't taste fishy. Maybe a little bit salty-ish. Not really salty, I don't really know. But it's really good. Mom is gonna cook hers with it, but I like mine on top. It's just kind of like a seasoning. Okay, so give it about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it. Mom, you wanna flip? Yay! And then probably another 10 minutes. This like brownish color is really how you want to see it. might need to flip this one over again.
もうちょっとだけ油足します。ポークベリーじゃないので油が出てこないからもうちょっとだけ足していこうと思います。
So since the pork didn't have a lot of fat on it, like usually you would use pork belly and use the fat to cook the okonomiyaki, but because we don't have that, we're just gonna add some more sesame oil.
Oh, 美味しそう。
Okay, yeah, that looks good.
あ、ごめん、あっちゃんの潰れた。はい。多分これで。
Okay, this is how you want the meat to look. It's like caramelized. Okay, so you can usually eat it like this. Mom. Eat it like this and put sauce over it, but it's really good with an egg, so we're gonna crack a couple eggs and put it on top. And we're gonna use the okonomiyaki sauce. This is, you can get, I think you can get it at Walmart, but like the Japanese store.
No, you cannot get that at Walmart.
Oh, well, just put all of this on here. This is like a sweet brown sauce. It's really good. So where can you get this?
レボ見して。はい。
Okay.
お好み焼きおたふくソースが一番美味しいと思う。
もう言ったそれ。
はい、マヨネーズは
Okay.
キューピー。
Mom, Kewpie やろ。So you have to use Kewpie mayonnaise. This they had at mine.
嘘？見たことない。
So this is Japanese mayonnaise, and you cannot use American mayonnaise. It's not gonna taste good. Have to use the Japanese one. But yeah, I kind of like a lot of mayonnaise. Mama wa?
一緒ぐらい。
もっと？
いい、それぐらいで。
Okay, and then, so I like red powder. So I will put some of this on. And then like mom had before, I'm gonna put it on last.
Okay.
Well, my egg broke a little bit, but this is the finished product. So when it looks done, just cut this a little bit. It's better when you eat it straight off of the pan. It keeps it hot. But we're gonna do a taste test. I gotta pick it up. My chopstick skills need some help. Okay. Let's look back to that.
Oishii.